So we had the right amount of torque, 15 Newton meters. But I did it all wrong, so I will show you how it should be done. So this hole here, it's not for the bolt, but it's only for the tool. So here is where this bolt should go, and now the original one is also long enough. No need for this longer one that I bought for this purpose. Then just tightening the bolt. Checking for no wiggle. Then insert the plastic cap. Still not working. So my next mistake was not to clean the thread lock from this bolt, this blue stuff. That prevents the bolt from going deep enough. This thread lock is sturdy stuff. I already took away some of it, but it wasn't enough. The bolt wasn't still going in deep enough or easy enough. I should have used this one from the very beginning. But now, as you can see, it's totally clean. So now my third attempt. It's getting better, but it's still not solid as it should. In case you're interested, this thing says elastic assist release. It just came apart when I removed this nut from the stem. I will clean the threads also of the nut. It's a M8 1.25 thread. Let's now hope this would be my last and successful attempt. Yes,